So, hello everyone, welcome to the final part and the video representation of this application. So, let's start. I have done some minor changes, like I have multiplied this unit conversion factor into the from unit to unit to the unit to the from unit conversion factor. And then after, I also created some changes in the data class as well. We have override the toString method, which will be return the name only. We did not use to return the conversion factor as well. So if you wanted to name on the UI, so we can use this conversion factor. So I've connected my Google Pixel and I want to show you our application, like how it is working. So let's click on this. So here is our application here. So as we have, let's say we have a temperature here and we have to create the Fahrenheit, like Celsius to Fahrenheit. So let's check. Okay, let's we have like 38 degrees Celsius. So we can convert it. Okay, so let's use our thing that we check, like if we have the 100-degree Fahrenheit, and if we have to convert this 100.4 into uh, like Celsius. So what we have to do, we have to select the Fahrenheit here, and we have to also select 100.4 and convert it into the Celsius. So we can see we have the 38 degrees Celsius we have. Okay, so let's change the temperature from length. So we have 100 meter, like in 1 meter we know we have 1,000 meter. So in 1 kilometer to meter is basically 1 into 1,000 meter. We are getting the answer, and if we recalculate it, like we can convert in the meter. Okay, and to kilometer. So if we enter the 1,000 here, we can convert, which is basically is doing here. So what we have to do, we have to change the mass as well. Like we can see the mass here. So we can also check the mass as we have recommended here. So that's all. That's all about this video. So thank you everyone. And we can use our unit converter application by this way. We can also make any required changes we have. So if you are interested in any type of project, so you can just drop a mail to contact at the Codersarts. So thank you everyone. Bye bye.